Come test drive this 2006 Jeep Commander. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, rear parking sensors, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to rear park assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.